What's up guys, Ashrafi, and today we are going to be talking about the longevity of iPhones. iPhones last an extremely long time, I have said it in my past videos, and seeing how expensive they are, could they be seen as an investment? So we're going to be going through everything in detail, just a nice sit back relax video, and yeah, let's get straight into the upload. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Throughout the video, just saying, I'm going to be showing you B-roll of my iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, which have been used consistently for 4 years now, and they have still held up just fine. So we're going to be talking about the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus in particular, as they are quite old models, but still hold up really well. We're also going to be talking about how iPhones could be seen as an investment. iPhones are really expensive, and there's no denying that. And that means that if you do invest in a phone, you will be guaranteed for at least 4 to 5 years with that phone, if you do take care of it. So let's talk about the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. This is not a review for iPhone 7 in 2020, but the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus have held up really well. Apple's A Bionic chip have always been the best in smartphones, and it's surprisingly still holding up 4 years on. Of course, it will not have the top of the end performance, but it will still hold on for people that just need a new phone. The iPhone 7 Plus, if you are upgrading from iPhone 6, maybe don't go to the 7, maybe look at the X or the 11. But the iPhone 7 Plus, if you do still have that phone, I think you'll be able to hold on to it for 1 more year. You can still sell this phone as well for maybe £100 to £200, which is a lot for a 4-year-old phone. You would definitely not get this on the Android side of the argument. This phone, the iPhone 7 Plus, has the dual lens setup, which was first introduced into the iPhone, and the cameras are okay from the 2020 standards. We do love our wide angle lenses, we are fine with our telephoto, but Apple do take nice photos and videos with that phone. However, with the standards we have in 2020, that may not be enough for you, depending on who you are. For example, me, I could not use that for a YouTube video. I'm just not happy with the color compared to other phones. But for the people that do light work, like every day, taking pictures, selfies, then the iPhone will completely be fine. The cameras on the front and back will both be fine. With the iPhone 7, you have the one lens at the back, still producing nice crisp shots. With the iPhone 7 Plus, like I said, you have the dual lenses, a telephoto and a main, which helps with portrait effects, and throughout the years with the updates rolling onto the iPhone 7 Plus, the portrait mode has actually got better. There's also a lightning port, no headphone jack, as the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus ditched the headphone jack, which made headlines, but not a lot of phones have headphone jacks, so that's not an argument anymore. It does not have wireless charging, which is quite important these days. A lot of people care about their wireless charging. The battery after 4 years has degraded, I can admit to that. 4 years using a battery consistently does degrade the overall phone. However, you can still get just about a day with this battery life. Just keep a charger with you. I think I have mentioned this, but it is running iOS 14, which is Apple's latest software, and it's still getting software updates, which means the phone is getting faster through Apple's software updates, which is a big thumbs up. This really shows Apple does want to take care of their old phones. I mean, you did make us pay a lot for those phones, so we want to see that. Let's go on to the investment side. Does the iPhone count as an investment? It could, because the iPhone is really expensive. By expensive, starting at $999 for the iPhone 12, it is a lot of money, which means you will want to have a nice phone which will last you comfortably for at least 2 to 3 years for you to get your money back and invest in a new phone. The Apple iPhones have always lasted people a long time, like the iPhone 7 is still here. And you'll definitely be happy. I think it does count in it as an investment. So that's been it, guys. This was just a brief video talking about whether an iPhone is an investment, the longevity, how Apple is definitely taking care of their devices. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's try and get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah, thanks for all the support so far, and yeah, peace.